Better. Plus, I gain a reverse light function if I wire that in. That's super bright, and it's going to be helpful at nighttime. I'm a contractor guy, so having light in the back of my truck or at the rear of my truck at night is going to be super helpful. So let's take a look at it real quick. Standard wiring, guys. You got your ground and so forth. So you can excuse the janky setup, but this is just for demonstration purposes. There's your turn signal, right? Turn signal left. And stoplight. Super bright. Super bright. And like I said, if you wire in this red wire to your reverse lights, or you could pop it on a switch even and grab power from your license plate lights, and you can light up the back of your truck like nobody's business. Look at how bright that is, guys. It blows out the camera. It's blowing out my eyeballs. I can't even look directly at it because I'm going to see spots for like 3 hours. But this one is definitely a recommend, guys. I like the quality of it. It feels really nice. It's pretty thick. It's got the obligatory double-sided tape on it. If you use rubbing alcohol, clean up your tailgate real good so you see no more dirt coming off, and it should stick just fine. Don't apply this to a dirty tailgate and expect it not to fall off. But this one is a recommend, guys. I do like it. It's super bright. I love the ability of this red wire to give me some light in the rear of my vehicle, and I am probably going to wire that up to a switch and just grab power off of my license plate lights, and I'll have light at the rear of my vehicle whenever I want it, and it doesn't have to be in gear. There you go, guys. Just a quick look at the light strip. I hope that helped in your purchase decisions on this particular item, and have a great day.
The problem is with these lights that the corrosion builds up right here. If you wash your vehicle a lot, it builds up on this piece right here. If you unscrew that and clean the connection, then the light will come back on. See, the lights work when you make the connection.